What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. This is my silver Arowana. His name is Titan. Look at him, ain't he beautiful? Look at that guy. Sorry about the glare. These are his friends, blood parrots. This is the blood parrot pack. That's Sunny in the front right there. Check him out. Okay. Sad to say, but one of these guys died the other day. You know, I did a water change. I noticed he was stressed out, and I went to work. When I got home, sad to say, but he was dead on the floor. Everybody else is doing fine. Okay. Silver's doing fine. Titan. Check out Titan. Beautiful. Let's do a side profile of the 220. Okay, this is the side. It's the Fluval FX6 intake. Crystal clear water. You can see him all the way down there. He's probably 8 feet away from me right now. You can see him perfectly. Okay, now I'm going to do a feeding. Okay, some blood red parrot pellets. Hikari, blood red, medium size. Titan likes them. Blood parrots like them. Here they come. There they go. I don't really know. I know everybody's eating, but I just don't know how much because they all look exactly the same. So, if one keeps going up, you know, I won't know if it's a different one. See, there's Titan getting his pellets. I'm going to keep this guy on pellets too. You know, it's very healthy for the fish and a lot cheaper too. Tell you the truth. And he seems to enjoy them, so. But we'll see. I'll definitely give him some treats, you know. Some worms, things like that. But it'll be, his main diet will be pellets. Everything else will be a treat. So check out Sunny. Look, see, they ate all that already. I'll give him some more. Trying to keep that closed. Some more pellets in there. These guys are beautiful. I'm feeding them at least twice a day, sometimes more. You know, so they're getting their breakfast now. I'll feed them in the middle of the day and definitely before I go to work. I always power feed all my fish. They seem to enjoy it. Little guy down there getting some. It's a nice, happy home. I am going to show you guys Bubbles at the end of this video. He hasn't eaten in about a week. Like I said, he does have a parasite right now. I am treating it with Metroplex. And, you know, I just hope he starts to eat and feels better because I am worried about him. He's just, you know, he looks alright except for his, the hump on his head is caved in. You know, that's how you know flower horns are depressed and not doing well. The hump on their head it'll look dented. That's exactly how it looks. It looks like it has dents in it. So, and when they start to feel better, it fills out nice, big, and round. So, hopefully he starts to get back to his old self soon. So I could stop worrying about him and, you know, get him his own tank, you know, a bigger tank for him. So I'll show you guys him in just a couple of minutes. Just wait for this feeding to be done. Oh, and these are Ignet blood parrots. INGOT. That's how you spell it. Ingot blood parrots. Very beautiful fish. And we got Titan, King of the Amazon, Silver Arowana. He loves this tank. He was in a 20-gallon tank, I think, with about 15 other silvers his size. Felt so bad for him. So now I know he's very happy. Alright guys, I'm going to go over to Bubbles real quick. Let's just get a close-up of Titan. He's a little scared of me. It's alright. Close-ups of these guys. Blood parrots. Here is Bubbles. See, he's got food on top. He won't touch it. There he is. He's in his little tank, his little hospital tank. And see how the hump on his head is dented? It's caved in. That's because he's not doing too well. So, like I said, I'm medicating him, hoping he gets back to his old self. So hope he starts to eat soon. He hasn't eaten in about a week. And starting to grow some more and more concern that he might not make it, but I really hope he does. He's a beautiful fish, and I would appreciate you guys to leave a comment, just a little support for this guy, for Bubbles. Show him some support. Maybe he'll come out of it, you know, with your guys' help. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget about Bubbles. You guys have a great day. Later.